welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how WP Reality, which is a real estate plugin for property listing, you can try the admin demo for free. Yes, completely free. So all you have to do is copy the URL that is given in the description, paste it in your browser. Once you paste it in your browser, you will land on a page which will ask you to enter your details. So let's click on the login to demo link, and then this is the page where you need to click on super admin. Once you click on super admin, it will ask you to enter your valid email address and name. To make sure that you enter a valid email address, AA or missing a .com or anything like that won't work, so you need to remove and make sure you have the valid email address. Once you do that, it will show you a message that you need to check your email inbox, and you will be able to subscribe to this particular admin demo. So let's just check the email address that we have entered. So in email inbox we got the email, and that email we will click on please confirm your email address link. Once we click on that particular link, it automatically redirects you to the WP admin details, where WP admin dashboard of real estate plugin, and you will be able to see the whole detail of the real estate plugin. So number of properties, property status, number of users, and everything. Using this plugin you can manage your property listing. So it's good for the brokers, real estate brokers, whether it's a residential broker or a commercial broker. This is ideal plugin for that. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.